Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Beria Foundation College Nosharu Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to do a practical on Microsoft Excel, and today's practical is based on making mark sheet. So dear students, this is the Excel program in which we have made mark sheet of students displaying the various marks in subjects. So dear students, first of all, you see here that marks are entered in the first row, and in first row we will have to merge into one column. Okay dear students, so first of all, to merge this row we will select all the cells of this row, and after selecting this row we will click on merge and center feature on home tab. Okay dear student, when you will click on this feature, a menu will appear in front of you, and this menu displays as merge and center, merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells. So dear students, we will click on merge and center, so our columns will be merged into one row. Okay dear students, secondly there is the subjects, and we will similarly merge this row into a row. Okay, we similarly click or select this row, and we will go to the home tab and click on merge and center feature. When we will click on this feature, a menu will appear in front of us. This menu displays merge and center, merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells, and we will select merge and center option to merge our row. Okay dear students, now come to the name of student. English subjects are English, math, science, history and computer, and in column H there is total. In this column we will find out the total marks obtained by each student. So dear students, here you see that all the students have been assigned their marks that they have obtained in their respective subjects. So dear students, now we will find out the sum of all numbers obtained by student, and we will click in total, and later on we will click on formula bar, that is fx insert function. As we will click on this function, a menu will appear displaying the functions. In this menu we will click on sum to find out the total marks of each student. Okay, now click on sum. Finally click on OK. Dear students, here a menu is displayed, and menu number 1 there is the box, and in box there is the formula before G4. It means the numbers that we have assigned to each student in this sheet, their marks are started from B to G, and in H we are finding the total numbers of each student. So we will click on OK. Okay dear students, the total marks of S1 will be 462 and remaining students will be considered by finding their total marks. So dear students, first of all we will find out total of any one of the student. For suppose we have found here the total of ASN. The total numbers of ASN are 462 and we will place the cursor where cursor is seamed in plus form and we will press right click of our mouse. Later on we will press right click of our mouse and drag our mouse downward. Later on the total of each student will be found. Okay dear students, अब क्या करेंगे आप हर स्टूडेंट की मार्क्स असाइन करेंगे। उसके बाद आप किसी भी एक स्टूडेंट जो आपका फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट है, फॉर सपोज एसन है तो एसन की टोटल मार्क्स आप फाइंड करेंगे। फाइंड करने का तरीक़ेकार क्या है? फाइंड करने का तरीक़ेकार ये है डियर स्टूडेंट्स। फाइंड करने का तरीक़ेकार ये है, आप टोटल पे क्लिक करेंगे, उसके बाद fx फंक्शन में जाएंगे, उसके बाद सम पर आप क्लिक करेंगे। सम पर क्लिक करेंगे तो B4 G4 फार्मूला आ जाएगा। इसका मतलब ये है कि B से लेकर G तक जितनी भी एंट्रीज हैं उनका टोटल मालूम करना। उसके बाद ओके पर क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके नंबर्स 462 हो जाएंगे जो एसन की मार्क्स होंगी। बकाया जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनकी मार्क्स हासिल करने के लिए ये जो कर्सर है आप इसी बॉक्स का जो डॉट है उस पर रखेंगे। जैसे ही आपका ये कर्सर प्लस है, ठीक है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब आप लेफ्ट क्लिक जो है उसको प्रेस करेंगे और नीचे लेकर आएंगे, ड्रैग करेंगे अपने माउस को तो बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के नंबर्स भी मालूम हो जाएंगे। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स ये आपका प्रैक्टिकल है जो हमने प्रैक्टिकल हर एक स्टूडेंट को नंबर्स दिए और उनका फाइंड आउट किया। नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ वी आर गोइंग टू print this sheet will be printed in smooth form. So to overview this sheet we will click on the office button, a menu will appear and we will click on print preview. When you will click on print preview, your sheet will be printed in this form because in this form there are no border lines, there are not rows and columns in tabular form. So dear students, to make our sheet in tabular form we will go to the sheet and select all the sheet. We will select all the sheet and now we will click on the bottom border. When we will click on the bottom border, a menu will appear displaying the various styles of bordering to our sheet. So dear students, when this menu will appear in front of you, you will have to click on all borders. Okay dear students, now your sheet will be printed in this way. So dear students, this is the complete format, this is the complete sheet in Microsoft Excel that we have insert here, that we have format here. So dear students, this is the practical based on Microsoft Excel, and your homework is to continue the practical on Microsoft Excel at your home PCs, and you will have to make same worksheet on your computer. So dear students, you will do same practical on your home PC. This is your homework. We will come in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Allah Hafiz.